Welcome to the Rochdale Fenwick house tour video. This is one of Rochdale Fenwick's study spaces. This is the Rochdale Fenwick ice room, so it can be rented out as an event space, and when it's not, people can use it for whatever they would like. This space is open to people in Rochdale and in Fenwick. This is a sample laundry room. So laundry costs around $125 for a wash and dry. And residents go to this room to do their laundry. This is the Rochdale Fenwick garage, so people will park their cars here. And if you would like to have parking, you would talk to the office about getting a space in the garage. This is the Rochdale Fenwick outdoor area. There is a lot of outdoor space with a lot of unique amenities. So they have a garden situation going on in the walkways in which people have cultivated specific herbs that can be used for cooking. Away from the walkways, there's some picnic table areas and like this common space in the middle of Rochdale Fenwick, as well as a gym, outdoor gym, and basketball courts. They also have a barbecue area for rent, which has space for social gatherings. When it's not being put out for rent, then everyone can use it. This is the walkway area around Rochdale Fenwick. Here is some bike storage space that Rochdale has. This is an example of another Rochdale study room. This is some other outdoor space that Rochdale has. This is a sample of the rooftop space of Rochdale Fenwick. So you can see people have set up chairs and tables. This is a Fenwick 4-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. This is the living space. This is the kitchen area. This would be some stairs leading up to your bedroom. It depends on the apartment layout, but some apartments are laid out like this. This is an example bathroom. This is a sample bedroom. This is another sample bedroom. This is a Rochdale example of a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. So you can see this is the kitchen area. This is a sample bedroom. Is a sample bathroom. Here is another example of a Rochdale 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. Here is another example of a Rochdale 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. This would be the communal living area. This would be an example of the kitchen area. This would be an example of a bedroom. This is a sample bathroom.